I'm grateful for another beautiful day. Let's get straight into the charts, but we have news at 10 a.m., which is the Jolt jobs opening, so we're not going to be trading until then. There could be some volatility at market open, but we will be patient. All right, so looking at the daily chart, we have previous day's highs and previous day's lows looming within this imbalance that we had already balanced. Price decided to come back down yesterday, come up. Same with today. Price opened at yesterday's close, basically. Well, yesterday we closed at 62.25. We opened at 62.50. So there's a 50-cent imbalance there, which had already filled. So price came back down into this imbalance, stopped right here, basically in the median of this wick. I on the daily am expecting price to head back up into this bearish order block right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all of these lines because I believe that price will go into this area. I just don't know when. But I do believe that this area will be hit. This does look like a runaway gap to me, but who knows? Anything can happen with news these days. I am overall still bullish. All right, so let's go down to the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart is showing me that this was a rebalance. Yeah, I'm still bullish. I will be bullish until it takes out this liquidity here and here. All of this here is engineered liquidity, so I would expect price to come up to take this out before coming back down. All of this right here is engineered liquidity. All right, so I do think that price will come up, take this out, and then come back down to rebalance internal range liquidity, and then possibly make higher highs. All right, higher highs may not come for like another couple weeks, but we'll see. 15-minute chart, same story. We took out previous day's PM low, rebalanced it perfectly here, and decided to come back up. I'm not sure if this is going to be a retracement back up to send price down to previous day's lows. That would be great if we were going to be bullish to send price up to take previous day's highs. Doesn't mean that it has to, but we're just going to wait to see what price does at 10 a.m. with the news. 5-minute chart. I mean, it's the same old story. London low has been left untapped. London high and Asia high has not been taken out yet. So I do think we will have another push down before we head up. But again, it's uncertain. So we will see. All right, so let's sit tight and see what happens. All right, so you're gonna watch me rush into a lot of trades. I followed my rules for the most part in like the first trade, I guess, and then everything else went downhill. And you're gonna start seeing me trade emotionally, revenge trade, rush into trades, just basically everything that I'm not supposed to do, I did. And I kind of let myself do that here. I knew what I was doing and I recognized it, but I kind of let myself do it just to see how far I could take it. And eventually I basically quote unquote blew my account, right? Um, if this was a prop firm account, I would have blown my account within like the first like maybe 4 losses. And this is quite a bit of a reality check because if I'm feeling this way on a paper trading account, then every single prop firm evaluation or funded account was basically doomed to fail. So this is actually very, very good practice for me. Trying to get this evaluation account, quote unquote, funded or quote unquote get a payout. So this is basically a good test for me. Um, yeah, I mean these trades, I basically rushed into that trade over here. I mean I'm still bearish, but price action was not good. Um, Overall, I should have waited for price to take out previous day's highs or previous day's lows first, or a major pool of liquidity, right? And the major pool of liquidity that I see is either Asia high, like right above Asia high, or previous day's lows. And those were the two highs and lows that I was kind of trying to target when taking these trades. And next time, if price is kind of moving in the middle, basically sideways, what I need to do is wait for price to go in either direction and then wait for confirmation to enter a short or a long, right? So that's definitely noted. This is something that I realized a few months ago, but now I'm starting to see how destructive it is by not waiting for that price to give you that entry, to give you its hand, right? Because right now, what we're looking at is price basically moving sideways, taking out liquidity, internal range liquidity, and there is no external range liquidity that is taking. It's basically taking fair value gaps, wicks, and it's moving sideways. It's not going anywhere. And I should not have been trading in this type of market environment. Now over here, like if price was moving up, then I should have just let it move up and take out previous day's highs or something, and then take that short down. But um, this is a very good lesson for me. I learned a lot through this day. And over here, like I thought it was gonna dump, but it didn't. It basically came back and stopped me out. I mean, it is what it is. I'm gonna have to restart my evaluation account. Let me know how y'all did in the comments below. I definitely did not have a great day. Most of y'all are prop firm trading, so let me know how y'all did. Like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to join me on my journey, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow.